A strong industrial base has always been fundamental to the growth of our economy. When industry is thriving, the UK economy as a whole does too. Executive Television will explore both the challenges currently facing industry and the innovative solutions they are implementing, with analysis from a range of key experts. Featured in the programme are YB Fixings Limited distribute a wide range of fasteners, fixings, and high-quality tooling across the industrial, construction, and modular industries. Daneka is a specialist battery engineering company, providing power system consultancy across a wide range of industries. Mark 3D supply, install, and support a range of high-end 3D printers. They also specialize in additive design and the manufacture of high-strength fiber reinforced 3D printed parts.